Hello guys, sorry for the movement, but today we'll be building a Lego puzzle box. As you can see, I have got more Legos, and I am going to Alabama, so I will not be updating for the past few days. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Ooh, that's scared. Now, okay, the pieces that you will need 2 of these. I forgot all the names. One of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, and a 2x4 flat. That's all I can remember. You will need all those pieces for the first part, so let's get right to building. First, you will need this as the base. You want to stick this right there, right here. 1, 2, 3. That's where you put it, and then it should end at the 6th stud. And then you'll want to put that right there, so like that, a 1x2 apart, and then right that right there. Diwa. Oh no. And then you just want to do that. And then stick your 2x4 right here. Wow. See? Oh, and you will need 2 of these. I forgot. Sorry, guys. And do that. And then you should have this piece and this piece like that. And then just line it up like this. But you want to put it on a flat surface. I'll be right back with the next pieces. New update, guys. I have the pieces right here. Oops. Sorry, guys. I didn't bring them in the camera. I just set them to the side for some reason. I'll be right back. I have to get them. Now, I am back with the pieces. So, you will need a 1x4. This piece. One of these with a stud in the middle. You need this piece. I know this is to take apart your Legos, but you will need it. You will need this piece, another one of these, and this. It's not quite long as the other piece, but it has, if you add 4 more studs, if you add a 2x4, it will be the same length as the other one. This technic piece, another 1x4 flat, and another 1x4 flat, a 2x3, and this. Hope you guys like the music, and let's get right to it. So first you will want to do that, and then stick that right there, then that right there, and then that right there. And why I did that is because this piece can move up and down. I made it do that, but don't mind that. And then right there, and then put this, and now it should look like this. And right there, and now you just want to add that on top. This technic piece, that's why I have like that. You should have it like this. There we go. And if you want to see a tutorial for my other one, the awesomest Lego box, just go. Good, it should look like this. Now, you want to bring back that piece and then add this piece right there. And now add that piece right there. Now, oh no, please stand by. There is having some technical difficulties, so please stand by. I was just having some technical difficulty. I had to go fix the wire in my backyard so I can finish my YouTube video. But it should look like this now. Oh, like this. Hope you guys remember how to build it. See you guys tomorrow. Oh my god. Well, later. Just see you guys. I have to rebuild the whole entire thing. Bye. Hope you guys have a good time. Bye.